Hi, I'm Sudharma Kashyap, Placement Coordinator of the Mechanical Engineering Department. So, today's topic is time and work. So, let's assume time and work just like velocity, distance, and time. So, what happens is the distance we usually take it as work. So, let's assume the distance is 1 or 100 for our convenience. Then they usually give the time in the problem. So, we should take that as 1 by time, which will give us, or 100 by time, which will give us the velocity. So we know the distance, the velocity. The only thing we need to calculate is time. So when they are combined. So in the first question, we have A can do a piece of work in 4 hours. B and C together can do in 3 hours. A and C can do it in 2 hours. How long will it B alone take it to do it? So let's assume that the work is 1, which is same as distance, and the velocity of A is velocity or speed is 1 by 4. Now B and C together can do it in 3 hours. So their velocity will be 1 by 3. And A and C together can do it in 2 hours. So we have A, B and C, A and C. So first we can do is A plus B and C. If they work together, how much time it will take, we can calculate by summing them up. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 . So this is the time that A and B, C together, if they work, they can complete the work in 7 by 12 hours. So now what we want is B alone. So we have A and C's data. So we can subtract 7 by 12 minus 1 by 2, which will give us the B's work. So we have 1 by 12 as the velocity of B. So the time taken by B is 12 days. So now let's move on to the next problem. So X can do a piece of work in 40 days. He works at it for 8 days and then Y finishes it in 16 days. How long will it take if they do the work together? So we know that X will do the complete work in 40 days, but he only worked on it for 8 days. So let's assume the work is 100%. So let's take the ratio of, if he does 100% of work in 40 days, then X percent of work in 8 days. So we get 20% of work that is completed by A in 8 days. Now the remaining work is completed by B in 16 days. So the remaining work is 80%. So that 80% is completed in 16 days. So how much time will it take for B to complete the 100% of work? Is X. So we have 80x is equal to 16 into 100. So X is equal to, so we have 20 days. So A can complete the entire work in 40 days and B can complete the entire work in 20 days. Now how long will it take if they do the work together? So this is simple. So we just do 1 by 20 plus 1 by 40. So remember 3 by 40. and that 3 by 40 is the speed at which they work. So we want the time which is reciprocal of it. So yeah, so let's move on to the next question. So now this question is, Ravi and Kumar are working on an assignment. Ravi takes 6 hours to type 32 pages and Kumar takes 5 hours to type 40 pages. How much time will they take together working to type the assignment of 110 pages? So first we'll see how much of the work is done in 1 hour. So for ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ
ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್
ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
So Ravi and Kumar are working on an assignment. Ravi takes 6 hours to type 32 pages and Kumar takes 5 hours to type 40 pages. How much time will they take working together to type an assignment of 110 pages? So first we'll see how much pages they type for in 1 hour. So Ravi in 1 hour Ravi in 1 hour types 16 by 3 pages. So the same way, Kumar in 1 hour types 40 by 5, which is equal to 8 pages. So now, if they work together, then what will be the speed of their work? Which is 8 plus 16 by 3 is equal to 40 by 3. Now we want how much time will them take to complete an assignment of 110 pages. So for that, (33 by 4), which is approximately equal to 8.25 or 8 hours and 15 minutes. Thank you.